Hello and welcome to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be creating the expertise slide for a pitch deck template presentation in PowerPoint. All right, let's get started. We're going to start with a new slide. So I'm just going to go to new slide and insert a blank slide. Next up is going to be text. Go over to insert text box and I'm going to go to my notes. This text is going to be in the description box below, so you can go ahead and check that out. I'm just going to copy the title for this slide and then paste. I'm going to select the entire text box. We're going to change the font to Montserrat, which is this one, and size is going to be 44. For me, I'm just going to increase the width of my text box so I have all my text on one line. I'm going to grab a copy of this, holding Ctrl and Shift to create another copy while also keeping it underlined. I'm going to change the size of this new text box to 20. Let's go to notes. I'm going to grab this accompanying text for the title and I'm going to paste. Once again, I'm going to increase the width of this text box so I have all of my text on one line. Next up is a shape. Go over to shapes and I'm going to start with, let's start with this one, the arrow pentagon, and I'm just going to insert. First of all, we're going to change the fill to black. We're going to go over to shape outline, select no outline. The height of this shape is going to be 9.5 and the width is going to be, let's say, 25. And I'm going to position this shape. So what you want to do is just sort of remove part of this shape. Let a bit of it just sort of stick out from the frame. Next up, I'm going to insert yet another shape. So I'm going to go to shapes and I'm going to select this one, the arrow chevron, and I'm just going to paste and insert. We're going to go over to outline, select no outline, change the height to 9.5, and I'm going to change, and the width is also going to be 9.5, and I'm going to align it here, something like this, and then we're going to create another copy of this. Hold Control and Shift and then drag to create another copy of the shape. This new one, we're going to make the width 14, and this is what we are going to have. So for this shape, I'm going to change it to this orange color that we've been using throughout this project. I'm just going to show you in a moment what the color is, just in case. The color is FF7A00. That is the color we are going to use. I'm just going to select this tree and I'm maybe going to move this a little bit like this. Now, while I have all three selected, I'm going to go over to align and I'm going to distribute horizontally so we have equal spacing between all three shapes. Let's now change the fill of this one. Go over to insert pictures and I'm going to use stock images. Give this a moment so that it can load. And the image we're going to search for is going to be building. And this may take a bit of scrolling. If I don't find the image quickly enough, I'll stop recording and then show you the image. But it was the image we used for the title slide. All right, it seems like I'm going to have issues finding the image. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to stop recording and then when I find the image, I'm going to come back. All right, this is the image I want to use. I'm going to select it, insert, and then give it a moment to download into our slide. I'm going to reduce the height of this image and just overlap it with that chevron arrow. I'm currently selected on the picture, so there's this option where we have the selection pane right over here. So I'm trying to figure out, okay, for me, the arrow, that's the middle arrow, is chevron 4. So select the image first and then select the arrow that I want to change the fill of. Go over to shape format, merge options, and we're going to select intersect. I want to format this picture, so I'm just going to go to picture format and then select crop. And I'm just going to move this image to the right like this. So I'll have something that looks like this. Click on escape and we're going to have this. Next up, we're going to add in our text for this content, this slide. So I'm going to select this text box and just reuse it. So I'm going to hold Control and Shift to create another copy while keeping it aligned. So that we can see what we're doing. I'm just going to quickly change the color of the text to white. Let's change the size of this text to 24. I'm going to grab the content here, copy it, and then I'm going to paste. Select the entire text box and we are going to come over here and make it a bullet point. I'm going to reduce the width of this text box so I have all my text fits. I would like it to be like this, but as you can see, it's too close. So what I want to do, since I want all of them to be aligned, I'm just going to move everything back like this. And I'm going to align this text to the middle of this arrow. Now select this arrow and this text and the arrow, Ctrl G to group. Alright, now that we have all of our content, let's now go on to transition and animation. I'm going to come over to transitions. We're going to use the wipe transition and duration is going to be 2.25. Next up, let's go over to animations. I'm going to select all three of these items. We are going to use flying for our animation. Effect is going to be from left, and I'm going to go to start. Start is going to be with previous, duration is going to be 2 seconds. Let's come over here to under effects. We have this arrow so we can make some modifications. Bounce end is going to be 0.6. So we are changing the settings of all of these items at once. We are just going to add the delay so that we can have them come in one by one, or it looks like they are coming in one by one. So select this second arrow and we are going to increase the delay to 0.50. Select this one, delay is going to be 0.75 so that they are all going to come in at once, but there's going to be a slight delay between all of them. All right, let's go ahead and see what our slide looks like in the slideshow view. So I'm just going to start from here and we're going to have our slide. And yeah, this is the expertise slide. If you want to watch the other videos in this pitch deck template where I create all of the other slides in this series, you can check out the description box below for the links to the individual videos or the course playlist, or you could click on the video on screen right now or the playlist on screen right now. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next one.